everyone, this is Sade from Nasdaq, and today in this video it's all about these guys. So basically these both are of same company, twin wireless earbuds. This brand, this is both ADOPS 381 and this both ADOPS 641. This cost around 1.8k and this cost around 3000 rupees. So basically in this video we'll be unboxing this and a quick overview of this, and we'll have a look into we'll see what's inside the box. So before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the like button and share the video as much as possible, which motivates us to do even more good stuff like this. So let's open this up and see what's inside the box. This is of the latest version, which gives you immense gaming experience, and this is quite it's an older version, but it meets your expectation, it fulfills your expectation. Which to unbox first? So we'll go with Kairad Bunny. Let's keep this aside. Opening this, the first thing we get to see is user manual, and they wrote something read me before use, and 1 year of warranty card, and user manual. Read it before you use this, it will be quite useful. Other than this, they're given some instruction what are the how to assess the features of this both earpods and how to connect it with the mobiles. Other than that, they haven't given anything, and they're given Type-C charging cable and 2 additional pairs of ear muffs. So let's see, and the main thing is right over here. This is about True Wireless Earpods 341. These are the things which we get to see in the box. The main thing is right in my hand. The built-in quality is quite good. Both branding logo is placed right over here. Bottom they have given the charging port, which supports fast charging. 5 minutes of charge gives you 60 minutes of playtime. They have given 2 additional pairs of ear muffs of different sizes, which you can use it accordingly. And this case acts as a power bank to charge the earbuds which are inside. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 version. The interesting quality is that as soon as I open this, it connected to the mobile. You can have even on that once. As soon as I open, it got connected to the mobile. As soon as I close, it gets disconnected. It even shows the battery percentage of the earbuds. Let me show you that once. See, the battery percentage is shown here, which is especially for iPhone and not for the Android phones. It comes with IPX5 water and spectra resistant. This box comes with 500 mAh battery. Let's see how it fits to the ear. So it fits quite good, but I suggest you not to wear it while running or doing any other sports activities. Other than that, it's quite good, and the sound quality is also good. It even looks classy when you wear it. So let's see what's in this gaming earpods. I'm very much excited to see what's in the box. So without any ado, let's unbox this. Let's open this up. Oh, the built-in quality, the package is very cool. So let's take this box up and see what's in the box. Let's keep this both aside. Inside the box, the first thing we get is Type-C USB charger and 3 additional pair of ear muffs of different sizes. You can use it according to your comforts. Moving on, they've given some FAQ card and a boated stickers. they're given like how to connect it to the mobile and the instructions, and they're given some brand ambassadors. You can see some of the famous cricketers. Let's keep this aside, and 1 year of warranty card. So directly we'll move on to the boat's airport itself. So here is the main thing. These are the things which you get to see in the box. So the next main thing is about AirDops itself. Let's take this out. Oh, the built-in quality is quite good, and my first expression was crazy. Have a look into this once. It's almost designed like a car, like a sports car, which has a premium built-in quality. The branding name is placed right over here, which makes it look aesthetic. And the main thing is that on the both sides, right over here and here, it has a RGB LED lights, which like it's gonna be a lit and which is attracting by its killer look. So let's open the box and see what happens. As soon as I open, the RGB LED light starts glowing. It comes with a built-in 4 colors: red, green, purple and blue. These lights cannot be customized based on your convenience. So have a view on the take a look at the FX ones. Lights off. Look guys, it's so crazy. This gives immersive gaming experience. These are the colors you get to see. Right over here, they have given charging port of C-type, which supports fast charging. It supports 30 hours of continuous playback and up to 24 hours of playback with case. They've given like that, and up to 6 hours of playtime per charge. Once charge gives you 6 hours of playtime without the case. With the case, it gives you 24 hours of playback. It has IPX5 water and sweat resistant. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version. It has smooth, impressive touch control right over here. The main quality of this, the main special feature of this boAt AirPods is it has a beast mode for gamers in action. It is used by gamers, which gives you impressive experience while gaming. Take a look at the AirPods ones. As soon as I open the box, it gets connected to the mobile automatically. Talking about the controls, double tap on the left side part of the earbuds takes you to the previous track. It takes you to the previous part of the track. Double tap on the right side part of the earbuds take you to the forward track. It takes you to the forward track. And single press on the right or left, either of the sides can play or pause the music. Play. Long press on the either side of the earbuds gives you direct access to Google Assistant or Siri. The main thing is that you should have to tap 4 times on the left side part of the earbuds, which gives you direct access to the gaming mode. I can't show it to you right now because I don't play much of I don't play much games. Everything is touch controlled except the volume. It should be controlled in mobile itself, and there is no other disadvantages. And the color combination is also good. They are designed in such a manner of KTM bikes. Same thing goes with this one except the gaming mode. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hit the bell icon to get latest videos, and hit the like button also, and share the video as much as possible, which motivates us to do even more good stuff for you and all. So see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a fruitful day.